Be ready. Start. Giving the outline of the future beyond 1973, Shri F. Gandhi indicated that in 1973-74 the position will be improved as the plant at Thana will be in a position stanza. Thus, from June 1973 onwards, there was a possibility of adding 5 lakh to 6 lakh kilowatts of additional power in the system, and this would necessitate creation of equivalent requirement if this power is to be efficiently used stanza. He mentioned that in the above assessment he is not taking into account availability of 100 kW from Tombe and 60 MW from Bombay stations stanza. Again in 1975 there is a possibility of further addition to 300 MW, that is 9 lakh kW stove. This in fact posed a challenge to the industry of the state for creating equivalent demand to make use of this additional power stove. Shri Gandhi also mentioned of the steps which have been taken to procure material and felt hopeful that the system would be able to make use of the power without any avoidable loss of time stanza. While summing up, he mentioned that whereas the present demand in Maharashtra was 1.2 million units, the future availability was of 5 lakh units, that is almost about 40%, and he hoped that the industry would rise to make use of it stanza. This will also enable the agriculture community to use tube wells and other electrical installations to help them to keep pace with the industrial development in the state stove. Industry cannot survive alone, and it is necessary that agricultural activities should also increase side by side if we want to have real development stove. Therefore, it is very necessary that while talking about industrial development, we should not neglect agricultural development, and in all our plans and calculations we should keep a margin for this industry as well stanza. During the discussion which followed, particular mention was made of the critical situation prevailing at Chembur industrial area where power cuts and breakdowns are causing great inconvenience and set back to the industry stove. Shri Gandhi mentioned that by January 1973, Chembur would have additional 7 MW, adding 50 lakh units per day, and the position would considerably improve stanza. Members also brought to the notice of Shri Gandhi the position prevailing in Vikhroli, another biggest industrial complex of the state stove. Here again power cuts, breakdowns and refusal for new connections has resulted in several big industries trying to set up their plants elsewhere stove. This will result in a very serious setback in the state stove. It is learnt that industrialists like Birla and even Tata, who once desired to set up their plants in Vikhroli, are now thinking to go somewhere else stop. If this continues, you will find after some time all big industries will be shifted from the state stanza. Shri Gandhi, however, assured the members that as soon as he returns, he will take up the matter with the central government to find out what steps can be taken to help Maharashtra in securing maximum load as early as possible. Stanza. Shri R.K. Avasthi thanked Shri Gandhi for giving members a very detailed picture of the power availability in the state, both present and future. Stop. He expressed the hope that the future generation would be according to the indicated schedule and that the industry in the state would make effective use of the available power. Full stop. Over.